Hey friends, so in our last video we mentioned we've had a little project we've been working on. Super excited to share that with you now. The Amazon truck just rolled by and delivered our new book, One Pot Camp Cooking, Quick, Easy, Delicious. That's us. How cool is that? Check it out. We'll put a link down in the description. This is all of the things we learned in our travels about cooking on the go. How to do it easy, minimal amount of ingredients, quick cleanup. If you enjoy camping, this book's for you. Boating, this book's for you. If you are part of the hashtag van life, this book is for you. Even if you're in the hashtag college life, hashtag dorm life, hashtag apartment life, there's stuff in here that you're going to want to know. If you're like me, I am in the hashtag I like to eat stuff but I hate to do dishes life. This book is for you. Check it out. Links in the description.